1st, today, December 2nd, we're going to be using the distributed property to solve equations. Yesterday we combined. Today we're going to use distributed property. Your homework, even front and back. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Who do we appreciate? Math. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Math. Woo. We appreciate math. All right, here we go. Party poopers, I tell you. Oh my God. All right. Nothing wrong there. Everything's perfect. No, I don't want you to check the group chat. So.
I said, could I sharpen my pencil? How would he check? I just said, did you see the group chat last night?
Yeah, then I'm thinking, is he going to go sharpen his pencil to go check the group chat?
No, he saw it already.
Okay. Yes, go ahead quickly. Distributed property. Use the distributed property to solve equations. What's the difference between an equation and an inequality? God, my writing's horrible today.
One
Sorry.
has the thingy and the other one doesn't.
Wow. Wow. Such scholar vocabulary right there.
The greater than or less than.
That's called an inequality. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or just less than, greater than. And then what's an equation? What does it have? The equal sign. So an equal sign. And it has one answer. It equals 5. And inequality has an infinite number. Because I've seen where tests ask you, select all the inequalities. So you have to select all the ones that look like inequalities. So you have to select all the ones that don't have an equal sign. Does anybody know what you call a problem that has no equal sign and no inequality?
Numbers.
Not a problem.
Not a problem. Not your problem. Like, for example, if it says 5x plus 20 equals 100, that's called an equation. 5x plus 20 is greater than 100, that's called an inequality. What do you call when you just have that?
Addition.
Answer. Sign.
Starts with an E.
Equation.
Would be this one.
What?
What's the next one?
Equality.
X.
Equality.
Example.
Equality.
Explain.
Less than greater than.
X up.
X. Exponent. No.
Expression. So, an expression has no equal sign, no inequality. This can actually not be solved. These two can be solved. You draw the bars. You can solve for what x is. This one, you can't solve the expression. Unless I do what I did on the do now and I tell you what x is, then you can simplify it and solve it. But an expression has neither. That was painful. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's do that. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so here we have, if you were absent yesterday, make sure you check out the video because I did teach a lot yesterday. 5 parentheses, x plus 2 is equal to 120. So what am I going to do primero?
Distributed property.
Distributed property. So what I taught you before is going to be used today. I taught you how to distribute just around Halloween because it was like, oh, we're going to give out candy. We're going to give out candy to everybody. So, you're right, I'm not. 5x plus what? 10 equals 120. Now we have a very simple 7th grade problem. This now is like level 1. So, draw the bars. What do I move first? Subtract 10. Subtract 10. We're left with 5x equals 110. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. And we get
20.
Yay. Yay. I wasn't getting scared. I knew you were going to tell me. Oopsie. Sorry. Ta-da! X is 22. Easy? I think it's going to be easier than yesterday. That's just my humble opinion. Ooh. I don't know if this is going to work. We might get a decimal or a fraction. But we'll see. We'll make it work. All right. So what number am I going to distribute? 6. All right. So everybody gets distributed a 6. Noah, we're going to do this and we're going to do that. All right, 6 times 2x, 12x minus what? 18 is equal to 56. All right. Draw my bars. How do I move the 18? Plus 18 plus 18. 74? Ooh, it's not going to work, huh? How many times is 12 going to 74? 6? What's your remainder?
2.
What's 6 times 12? 72. So remainder 2 over 12. So instead of a decimal, I wrote a mixed number. So what is 6 and 2/12 equal to when you simplify?
1/6.
Yeah, good.
I got all of them.
It's a little review of fractions. Little review. All right, cool. All right. Are we okay with this? I think it's easier than yesterday. I taught you a lot of stuff yesterday. I taught you X's on both sides, right? I might have to review that tomorrow. Ooh. I get kind of excited when I think of a good problem. Sorry.
How do you do that?
Oh, come on.
No, I mean, how do you not know this?
Yeah, seriously.
It's a
right?
fraction.
It's a fraction. It's no big deal. They're all scared too. Don't. All right. So, do not fear the fraction. Okay. So, it's 1/2 times 10x minus 4. 1/2. So, I want 1/2 of 10. What's 1/2 of 10? 5.
Oh.
Minus 1/2 of 4.
2.
So sometimes it's as easy as this. When you look at this, it might look scary. But in 7th grade, they'll give you pretty easy fractions to deal with, like 1/2, or they'll give you 1/4. And you should all be able to handle that. Oh, this one doesn't work. I'm sorry, I'm thinking these off the top of my brain, and my brain's giving you hard ones. All right, you guys can deal with the mixed number right there. I'm pretty sure that in high school, they actually want you to leave it as a improper. But in 7th grade, we want it at least into a mixed number. All right, what's my mixed number? 6. What's my remainder? 2/5. If you want it as a decimal, it would actually be 6 point. Does anybody know? 4. If you want it as a decimal, it'd be 6.4. If you want it as a mixed number, it'd be 6 2/5. Hey, we're doing 2 things at once. You want another one? Yes, Miss Molly. Okay, good. I love your attitude. Ooh. Yeah. That's right. 100. Beat that.
Oh my god.
So 1/4. What's 1/4? 1/4 of these numbers. All right, so what's 1/4 of 4? What's 1/4 of 4? I mean, sorry. 1/4 of 12. 3. If you're like, what is she doing? What did we all do? We're just dividing these numbers by 4. So we're just dividing by whatever this bottom number is. We're dividing by 4. All right, what is x equal to?
97.
Yeah. 97 is equal to 1x, so we just divide by 1. If you need to, we can just write x equals 97. Okay. Are we okay with this? Okay. I'm going to teach you something that I kind of forgot to teach you before. Let's go back to... Ooh. 7 minus x equals 10. Not distract kids on the most difficult problem of the day.
We need to do that on a new page or the same page?
I write bigger than you. You are controlled of your notes. You write your notes so you can understand them. So you can use them on the homework. What is it?
Subtract 7.
Okay.
Plus x.
No, please.
Nice one.
It's plus x. Now it's plus 7.
How?
It's plus 7.
If that's already.
What do you guys think?
I think
I think that is 6 or 7.
No, you're not.
All right. What's our goal? To get x by itself, right? So what number do I have to move?
7.
Okay. We agreed moving the 7, right?
Yeah.
How?
By
Minus
multiplication. Subtraction. Division.
Subtract 7.
You're going to get it one day, right?
Addition.
You're going to say all 4. I'll be like, yes, that one. Yes. So what is it? What am I going to do to the 7?
Addition.
Yeah. Because what do you want 7 to be?
0.
0. So this subtraction, does it belong to the 7?
No.
No. Remember when I pulled up all of your work and I'm like, why are you writing the minus behind it? Like, remember that? Wasn't it? It's you guys, right? I remember. It was just like yesterday. So I want this part to equal 0, right? So 7 what equals 0? Minus 7. So that means I got to do a minus 7, right? So far, makes sense, right? Don't look behind it, look in front of it. There's nothing in front of it. So this gives me 0, right? And this gives me 3, correct?
Yeah.
So far, so good? Okay. Am I done?
No.
Why not?
Because it's negative.
Yes, exactly. Because if I were to plug in 3 to this equation, if I were like, remember it has one answer. So if I go back here and I go, oh, 7 minus my answer of 3 is going to equal 10. Is 7 minus 3 equal to 10? No. So that means that this answer is technically not right. Because you still have a negative x. So this minus, yes, it converts it to a negative. How do I get rid of this negativity?
Plus. Or add.
How do I get rid of... Oh, okay, hold on. Let me rephrase my question. What's the number between the negative and the x?
0.
No.
1.
1. So there's an invisible 1 there. Okay? So, but they're together. So what does it mean when they're together?
It's a negative.
what is it right here? What do we see? Do we see division right here?
Multiplication.
We see multiplication, right? So this right here, Emmanuel, right here, this means multiplication. So how do we undo it? Division. So when they're together, it means multiplication. So what's the opposite? Division. So I'm going to divide by what?
1,
No.
2.
-1. That eliminates your x being a negative. Here, you're left with just x is equal to, what's 3 divided by -1? -3. So x is equal to -3. Now will my equation be true? 7 minus -3 has to equal 10. Well, does it? Yes, because if I do a keep, change, opposite, I get 7 plus 3, and that does equal 10. So the answer is not 3, it's -3. So, especially in high school, you will end up, you'll get these very long equations, and you'll end up with like -x is equal to 100. And the teacher will be like, right, okay, this is like after a whole bunch of stuff. You're left with -x equals 100. And you're like, oh, I have my answer. What's your answer? 100. And your teacher's going to be like, no. And then the kid next to you is going to be like, hello, there's a negative in front of your x. So every time you see a -x, remember to divide by -1, divide by -1. X is really equal to -100, okay? So this is how they make problems harder later on in your math career. They'll make the x negative because kids will forget to divide by -1. Will you see it a lot in 7th grade? Not a lot. Not a lot. No. You'll see a number in front of it, like -5x, and then you're like, oh, I have to divide by -5. This one's like harder to see, so you might see it once or twice, but in high school you'll see it a lot. So remember me in high school when I told you to divide by a negative. Yes, Miss O'Malley, we'll never forget. I appreciate that. All right, time for your packet. No. Remember the worksheet I told you not to do the backside of? Backside. Yes.
I didn't lose it. Let me just see based on the problem. You could have scrolled.
Oh, yeah, you could have. I was like, I had to.
No, you didn't.
You're gonna make me like stop wanting to post.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I was going for. That was Skylar shit. Are you gonna remember what he is?
Okay, you, Santi, and Skylar are here.
All Santi said was sun.
That's enough. That's all.
He said was sun. And then we had a fight in her comments.
All right, we're still recording, so thank you for all that information. All right, I'll do the first one. We're going to distribute the 4. So that's 8x minus 40 equals 16. Don't forget to distribute to the second number. Number one mistake is kids do not give it to the second number. They leave it as a 10. Boo. Don't. Remember, I am checking your trabajo, your work. So make sure that you show it. Show it. So yeah, so that second worksheet I gave you, 1 through 4 is all improper. 1 through 4 is all improper.
All of them?
Yeah. So once you hit,
Wait, I don't get this.
so
1, 6, 12 for the second one?
1, 6, 12. What does that mean?
Where'd you get one?
Like 1,
6,
12. Like,
Oh, I see what you need me. What do you get when before?
what do you mean before?
Before you divided by 12.
Like, this part? Like, 12.
What is 12x equal to?
18.
18.
Yeah.
I did not get, yes, I did not get 18. Because you get 31 minus 12, right?
Yeah.
So,
31
what's 31 minus 12?
What if
No.
I give up on this?
No, it's actually, the way I want you to leave it is actually really easy. So when you you get 12x plus 9 plus 4, right? So you get 12x plus 13 equals, oh, I got that one wrong. I got that one wrong.
Can I get a Jolly Rancher for that?
No, you cannot get a Jolly.
So you get 12x equals 18,
Yeah.
Okay. right? So when I say leave it as improper, just do, your final answer will be x equals 18 divided by 12. Huh? Yeah. This is what I'm looking for.
Okay, that
So I'm actually making it easier because I'm not having you go all the way to a decimal or a mixed number. I'm just like, dude, if you get there, I'm A-okay with that.
To 5 or 4?
5.
Oh my gosh.
I did 4. I did number 1 with you.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, is this negative or a minus? What's a minus?
Are we
Right now it's a minus, but it's technically a negative, so
We know.
subtract them. Let me get my answer key, Kyle. I am still recording for my
What
side
time
of
is
it.
Like, you're gonna watch?
So why would you tell Miss Felix if you know how she is?
Yeah, I kind of did.
Like, you know she's a
I thought she was being mean.
Why would you rant?
Yeah.
Miss Felix is so...
Top 10.
Lamar said you didn't even have website. She's like Miss...
Oh yeah, you have to the website. The website.
Just search up the article. You can see from your paper.
Nuh-uh. She got mad at us because we were calling Haley. Yeah, I was calling Haley and
So now we have to read a big essay that a student wrote about... What was it called? Academic integrity.
so start writing.
I don't know what academic integrity is.
Me neither.
Wait, I think it's about like showing honesty and
Alright.
respect.
No, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So
That's why I'm saying I keep reading it.
Can we please stop talking?
yes, that would be so nice. I'm going to publish it after I pass out the homework. You're going to do 1 through 5. I did number 1 and 2. Even front and back. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, front and back. The back is clearly labeled.
10. That's it.
That's it. Let's see. Solving the distributive property. Okay, I'm gonna publish it. The picture's not gonna match. I have to change the pictures. The back side of both papers. What is it? What number is this? Number 2 and 3? 2 and 3. Just do 1 through 5 of page 2. Is the other one page 3? I'll answer that myself. Oh no, wait. Page 3. No, shoot. Page 3. Page 3. Page 3. Page 3.
Evan, so all you told her was that we didn't try and dream ball.
I wasn't doing dream math that time. I was doing the math.
I know, but you told
The
her,
only one, you were the only one
try.
Huh?
So you just said, oh, we just didn't try, that's it, that's what she got mad
And
about.
then that one on the